With advancements in battery technology, electric trucks will become more efficient, powerful, and cost-effective, making them a reliable choice for businesses and transportation networks. Several automakers are already leading the charge in the electric truck market, and by 2025, we'll see more companies enter the market with their electric truck models. Some of the top electric truck manufacturers include Tesla. Tesla's Cybertruck is one of the most anticipated electric trucks, offering incredible performance, a futuristic design, and long-range capabilities. Rivian's R1T is a high-performance electric truck designed for both on-road and off-road adventures. Rivian is also working on an electric delivery truck for Amazon. The Ford F-150 Lightning is Ford's first all-electric pickup truck, combining the power and performance of the F-Series with the benefits of electric mobility. Volvo has committed to producing a range of electric trucks by 2025, with an emphasis on sustainability and reduced emissions. Mercedes-Benz is working on electric trucks, such as the e-Actros, a heavy-duty electric truck designed for urban freight. These leading companies are just the beginning. By 2025, the electric truck market will be full of competition, pushing innovation and making electric trucks a mainstream choice for businesses and consumers alike. The rise of electric trucks is crucial for the future of sustainable logistics. Here's how electric trucks are shaping the logistics industry. Lower carbon footprint. By switching to electric trucks, logistics companies can significantly reduce their carbon footprint, contributing to cleaner air and reduced emissions. Greener supply chains. Electric trucks help businesses meet their sustainability goals, offering an eco-friendly alternative for moving goods.